Welcome. Today, we embark on a thrilling cybersecurity adventure. Palo Alto firewalls are like the superheroes of network security, blocking threats and keeping data safe. From malware protection to app-based controls, these firewalls are packed with features that make cybervillains tremble. And yes, they're trusted by enterprises globally. So let's dive in and uncover what makes them tick. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Now, let's talk architecture. Imagine a firewall as a bouncer at an exclusive club. Only the right traffic gets in. Palo Alto's design ensures seamless filtering and inspection, with high availability so your network doesn't take a day off. Packet flow, more like traffic control at its finest, and redundancy, because no one likes a firewall that quits mid-party. All right, setting up a firewall isn't rocket science, though sometimes it feels like it. First, connect, log in with default creds, but change them ASAP, and dive into configuration. The web interface makes things easy. No mysterious command lines. It's like setting up your new smartphone, but with higher stakes. Time to give your firewall an address. Assigning an IP is like putting a nameplate on your house. Now everyone knows where to find it. Admin access, only for the VIPs. Configuring network settings ensures everything runs smoothly. And testing, because you don't want a firewall that talks but doesn't listen. Security zones are like VIP sections at an event. Some people get all-access passes, others stay outside. The trust/untrust model keeps threats at bay. DMZ, perfect for public services without exposing the core network. Role-based access ensures the right people get in, and isolation keeps security airtight. Every firewall interface needs an IP. It's like giving lanes to different highways. Static or dynamic, you choose. Subnet masks and gateways make sure everyone knows where they're going. And validation, because guessing IPs is never fun. Security policies, think of them as rulebooks for your network. Defining access controls keeps unwanted visitors out. Source/destination rules act like postal addresses. Traffic goes where it should. Filtering ensures only safe apps run. And logging is your diary of network events, so you never miss a cyber hiccup. NAT is your firewall's disguise expert, changing IPs to keep networks secure. Static NAT is predictable. Dynamic keeps things flexible. Mapping ensures smooth communication, while keeping attackers in the dark. Think of it as passing secret messages, but only between trusted friends. Routing decides how your firewall guides data. It's basically Google Maps for networks. Static routes are predictable. Dynamic routes adapt like Waze. Redundancy means if one path fails, another is ready. Optimized performance keeps traffic flowing without congestion. Path monitoring is like health checkups for your network. If something breaks, the firewall knows. Failover ensures backup plans kick in. Continuity keeps things running, and troubleshooting prevents tech headaches. It's like having an IT doctor on call. All right, folks, testing a firewall isn't just pressing a big red button and hoping for the best. We need to check the rules, poke around for vulnerabilities like a detective, ensure proper access restrictions, and, most importantly, confirm our logs are actually logging. Because what good is a security event if no one knows it happened? Traffic logs are like a diary for your network. If something shady is happening, it's in there. We analyze traffic, hunt down anomalies like security detectives, ensure compliance, because rules exist for a reason, and set up alerts, because let's be real, manually checking logs sounds like a nightmare. Let's face it, passwords alone don't cut it anymore. MFA adds an extra layer of security, like locking your door and setting an alarm. RBAC ensures people only access what they need. Strong passwords keep hackers guessing. And authentication logs help us keep an eye on who's trying to sneak in. Firewalls age just like humans. Regular checkups are a must. Patching and updating keeps them strong. Reviewing rules ensures security isn't outdated. Optimizing settings makes sure they run smoothly. And redundancy ensures the firewall doesn't throw a tantrum when something breaks. Troubleshooting is like being a detective with a magnifying glass. Except you're hunting for misconfigurations and rule conflicts instead of clues. We fix connectivity issues, resolve bottlenecks, double-check rules, and dive deep with diagnostic tools to make sure our firewall is actually doing its job. Before we wrap up, let's talk best practices. Regular audits keep us ahead of potential breaches. Documentation helps prevent "I have no idea what happened" moments. Training employees means fewer security slip-ups. And staying informed ensures we never fall behind hackers. Stay smart, stay safe. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.